Hey guys, hope you're well. Today I will be trying Fenty Semi-Matte Lipstick and I'm so excited because I haven't tried any lipsticks from Fenty. So let's go! So I'm gonna try 3 shades from this little sample because I'm a little cheapskate queen and I like to get samples, all of that, and try for you because why not? So I'll be trying 3 shades which are Pose Queen, the MVP and Scholar Sister. Very exciting. 2 of them are very nude and very much on my taste, and I really like this one, which is quite bright, vivid red. So let's see how it's like. It says it's captivating color, velvety wear, light as air. Wow, that actually rhymes. Good job. Good PR, Fenty. I must tell you, they smell absolutely incredible, look very creamy, and let me show you some swatches.
What's a review without that?
So here I have the swatches. The first one, which is this absolutely gorgeous nude color, it's called the shade Scholar Sister number 06. Bright red vivid, which looks absolutely stunning. This one, it's the shade the MVP 001, and this absolute perfect everyday nude color, it's called Pose Queen in the number 5. It reminds me very much of one of the names from Kylie Cosmetics, not gonna lie. But first shade that I'm gonna try is 05 Pose Queen. This color is rich, pigmented, luscious, and so gorgeous. It's perfect for everyday wear like school, uni, you name it. It's the perfect everyday nude color. Next shade I will be trying is MVP 01, the red, bright red. This color is so luxurious, it feels so creamy, it's perfect for a date night. Formula is very nice and the pigment is absolutely insane. Like such outstanding color I haven't seen in a while in a lipstick, and just bear in mind this is like a matte color, which is incredible. The last shade I will be trying is called Scholar Sister number 6. I'm the most excited about this one because it looks like my ideal color, like my color on paper. The perfect shade for every single occasion. This is definitely my favorite shade. It's so light and velvety on the lips and it glides on effortless. I love that it feels very nourishing and hydrating on the lips as well, which doesn't really happen usually with matte lipstick. So in conclusion, I love Fenty, I love Rihanna, and I love this lipstick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe for more, and see you next time. Bye!